Hello everyone, and welcome back to RaeRoute. The travel bug bites everyone eventually, but the fear of a hefty price tag can often hold us back. Fear not, fellow adventurers. Today, we're here to bust the myth that incredible travel experiences require a trust fund. With a little planning, resourcefulness, and the following budget travel hacks, you can explore the world without breaking the bank. So, dust off your backpack, grab your passport, with plenty of blank pages, and get ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure. Before we jump into specific hacks, let's talk planning. Just like any good adventure, a successful budget trip starts with a well-thought-out strategy. Here are some key steps. Choose your destination wisely. Not all places are created equal when it comes to budget travel. Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, and Central America are known for offering incredible experiences at affordable prices. Think delicious street food for a few dollars, budget-friendly hostels, and stunning natural beauty, all without emptying your wallet. Research your chosen destination's average travel costs to set realistic expectations. Travel in the shoulder seasons. Tourist high seasons often come with inflated prices. Consider traveling during the shoulder seasons, spring or fall, when crowds are smaller, and accommodation and flights tend to be significantly cheaper. Imagine having those iconic landmarks practically to yourself, and at a fraction of the peak season price. Embrace the flexibility factor. Being flexible with your travel dates and itinerary can open doors to amazing deals. Many airlines and travel websites offer flash sales and last-minute discounts for those willing to be spontaneous. Think of flexibility as your secret weapon for scoring incredible travel deals. Accommodation is often a major travel expense, but there are plenty of ways to save without sacrificing comfort. Here are some budget-friendly options. Hostels. Hostels offer dorm rooms with shared facilities, a fantastic option for solo travelers or those looking to meet fellow adventurers on a budget. Many hostels also provide common areas, kitchens, and social events, making them a great way to experience the local culture. Think of hostels as a launchpad for exploration and making new travel buddies. Homestays and boutique hostels. Homestays allow you to stay with a local family, offering a unique cultural experience and a glimpse into local life. Boutique hostels combine the social atmosphere of hostels with more private room options. Imagine waking up to a home-cooked breakfast or having a local guide at your fingertips, all at a budget-friendly price. Consider alternative accommodations. Camping, house sitting, and couch surfing, staying with a local for free, are other options for the truly adventurous. Think of camping as a chance to reconnect with nature, and house sitting or couch surfing as unique ways to immerse yourself in the local community. Transportation costs can add up quickly, but here are some ways to keep them in check. Public transportation. Buses, trains, and subways are often the cheapest way to get around a city. Purchase travel cards for unlimited rides during your stay. Imagine exploring the city like a local, hopping on and off public transportation to discover hidden gems. Walk and explore. Walking is not only budget-friendly but also a great way to discover a city at your own pace and stumble upon hidden treasures. Think of walking as a free sightseeing tour and a chance to burn off those delicious street food calories. Consider carpooling or ride-sharing. Apps like BlaBlaCar connect travelers with drivers heading to similar destinations, offering a more affordable alternative to traditional car rentals. Imagine sharing a ride with locals and having a conversation about their culture, a bonus travel experience. Food is a big part of travel, and you don't need to sacrifice deliciousness for affordability. Here's how to eat like a local without breaking the bank. Street food. Street food is often the most authentic and budget-friendly way to experience a country's cuisine. Be adventurous, try new things, and don't be afraid to ask locals for recommendations. Imagine indulging in local flavors for a few dollars, a true feast for the senses. Self-catering. Opt for accommodation with a kitchen and cook your own meals using fresh ingredients from local markets. Think of this as a chance to test your culinary skills and save money by trying local recipes. Pack your own snacks. Bringing along some healthy snacks from home can help you avoid impulse purchases at convenience stores. Pro tip: Download a Food Market Finder app to locate authentic and affordable local markets wherever you travel. Imagine fresh fruits, vegetables, and local delicacies at a fraction of supermarket prices. Travel doesn't have to be expensive. There are tons of free and budget-friendly activities to fill your itinerary. Free walking tours. Many cities offer free walking tours led by passionate locals. These tours are a fantastic way to get oriented, learn about the city's history and culture, and score some insider tips. Imagine a free history lesson with a local guide, exploring hidden alleyways and secret spots. Museums on free days. Many museums offer free admission on specific days or evenings. Plan your visits accordingly to maximize your cultural immersion without the price tag. Imagine soaking up art, history, or science exhibits for free, a win-win for budget travelers and culture lovers. Parks and gardens. Public parks and gardens are beautiful places to relax, people watch, and enjoy the outdoors. Pack a picnic lunch and make a day of it. Imagine a free escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, surrounded by nature and fresh air. Festivals and cultural events. Many towns and cities host free festivals and cultural events throughout the year. Immerse yourself in the local scene and experience the vibrant energy. Imagine celebrating with locals, learning about their traditions, and creating unforgettable memories, all for free. There are numerous apps and online tools that can make your budget travel experience smoother and more affordable. Accommodation booking apps. Apps like Agoda and Booking.com allow you to compare prices and find the best deals on hostels, hotels, and apartments. Well, this is not a sponsored video, but I have used these applications oftentimes during my trips. Flight deal trackers. Websites like Google Flights and Expedia help you track flight prices and alert you to price drops for your desired destinations. Again, not sponsored, but I wish they would. Imagine getting notified when the flight to your dream destination suddenly goes on sale. Travel dreams do come true. Free walking tour apps. Apps like Free Walking Tours and Guru Walk connect you with free walking tours offered in cities worldwide. While travel insurance might seem like an extra expense, it can save you a significant amount of money in case of unexpected events like medical emergencies or flight cancellations. Consider purchasing a travel insurance plan that fits your specific needs and budget. Imagine peace of mind knowing you're covered if things don't go exactly according to plan, a small investment that can prevent a major financial headache. Remember, sometimes things don't go exactly according to plan when you travel. Flight delays, missed connections, and unexpected detours can happen. The key is to embrace the unexpected, stay flexible, and roll with the punches. These experiences can often lead to the most memorable moments of your trip. Think of unexpected detours as opportunities to discover hidden gems and have those only in travel stories to tell. So there you have it. With a little planning, resourcefulness, and the hacks we've shared, you can embark on incredible adventures without breaking the bank. Remember, the most valuable souvenirs you'll bring back are not expensive trinkets, but the memories, experiences, and connections you make along the way. So, pack your bags, set a budget, and get ready to explore the world. Bonus tip: learn a few basic phrases in the local language before you travel. A little effort goes a long way in showing respect for the culture and can even help you score better deals with local vendors. Imagine navigating foreign markets with a few key phrases and getting a smile and a discount for your effort, a win-win. We hope this video has empowered you to plan your next budget adventure. Remember, travel is not a luxury, it's an investment in yourself, your experiences, and your growth as a global citizen. So, start planning, embrace the adventure, and get ready to explore the world on a budget. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and let me know what other hacks have I missed. Hope to see you again, everyone.